The next great event which will be discussed is something which every single creation will experience, namely, death. Chapter 3, Ali Imran, verse 185.
Every soul will taste death, and you will only be given your full compensation on the day of resurrection. So he who is drawn away from the fire and admitted to paradise has attained his desire. And what is the life of this world except the enjoyment of delusion?
Death is something which is certain to occur, but the time is unknown. So it therefore makes sense that a Muslim who believes in the hereafter prioritizes preparing for it over preparing for things which might not occur, such as marriage, children, or their retirement. It is strange how many Muslims have adopted the opposite mentality, even though they testify that the world is temporary and uncertain, whereas the hereafter is permanent, and they are certain to reach it. No matter how one behaves, they will be judged regarding their deeds. A Muslim should not be fooled into believing that they can and will prepare for the hereafter in the future, as this attitude only causes them to delay further until their death occurs and they leave this world with regrets that will not aid them. So the important thing is not that people will die, as this is unavoidable, but the key is acting in such a way that one is fully prepared for it. The only way to prepare for it correctly is by acting on the teachings of Islam, namely, fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This is only possible when one prioritizes preparing for the hereafter over preparing for things which might not occur. A Muslim must not be fooled by the reality that one often receives second chances in this world, and apply this attitude to death. There are no second chances or delays when death arrives. In addition, one must always remember that if they live heedless to death and the hereafter, then that is the state they will die in. If they die in a state of heedlessness, they will be resurrected in the same state. This person is unlikely to find the success they desire on Judgment Day. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7232. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.